If you're tired of filling your sink with pots and pans every night just to make one decent dinner, this might be exactly the kind of kitchen upgrade you've been looking for. A lot of multi-cookers promise convenience, but then end up complicated, annoying to clean, or loaded with features nobody actually uses. The Black+Decker Digital Multicooker takes a much simpler approach, and honestly, that's what makes it interesting. Today we're checking out the Black+Decker Digital Multicooker 7qt family size model with 7 cooking functions, including slow cooking, steaming, sautéing, sous vide, roasting, rice cooking, and warming. This is clearly designed for busy families, beginners, or anyone who wants fewer appliances taking over the kitchen counter. And the biggest selling point here really isn't just versatility, it's convenience. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. First impressions are surprisingly solid for the price range. The cooker has a clean, modern look without feeling bulky or intimidating. The matte finish and digital controls give it a more premium appearance than you'd expect from a Black+Decker appliance. And the cool touch handles are one of those small details you appreciate immediately when moving a hot pot around the kitchen. The ceramic nonstick interior also deserves attention because it changes the entire cooking experience. Food releases easily, cleanup is dramatically easier, and it avoids that cheap, scratched-up feeling some nonstick cookers develop after a few months. What makes this especially practical is the fully submersible pot and lid. That sounds simple, but if you've ever awkwardly tried cleaning around electronics or fixed heating elements, you know how annoying traditional multicookers can be. Here, you can actually rinse things properly or throw them straight into the dishwasher without overthinking it. In day-to-day cooking, this thing fits naturally into a busy routine. The sauté function is genuinely useful because you can brown onions, garlic, or meat directly in the same pot before switching to slow cooking or steaming. That means fewer dishes and less bouncing around the kitchen. The roasting mode works better than expected, too. Chicken comes out evenly cooked with a surprisingly nice texture, especially using the included roasting rack that lifts food slightly for better heat circulation. The rice setting is straightforward and reliable, which honestly matters more than flashy features most people never touch. And while sous vide isn't something everyone uses daily, it's nice having the option built in instead of buying another separate appliance later. What stood out most during testing was how approachable everything felt. The controls are simple, the display is easy to read, and there's very little trial and error involved. Noise levels are minima, L2. Unlike some pressure cookers or air fryers that constantly hiss or roar in the background, this multi-cooker stays relatively quiet, making it easy to leave running while working, watching TV, or helping kids with homework. That quieter cooking experience actually makes it feel less intrusive in everyday life. Now, there are a few compromises. If you're expecting extremely advanced smart features or app connectivity, you won't find that here. The cooking presets are practical rather than highly customizable. Also, because this focuses on simplicity, it doesn't replace specialized appliances perfectly. Dedicated pressure cookers still cook faster, and premium sous vide machines offer more precision. Compared to competitors like the Instant Pot Duo or Ninja Footy, the Black+Decker Multicooker feels more beginner-friendly and less overwhelming. It's especially appealing for people who care more about easy meals and easy cleanup than having dozens of complicated cooking modes. The neat and clean system also gives it a real advantage for busy households because cleanup is honestly where a lot of kitchen gadgets fail long-term. So who is this best for? If you want one appliance that handles everyday family meals without turning cooking into a project, this makes a lot of sense. It's ideal for smaller kitchens, busy parents, college students upgrading from basic cookware, or anyone trying to simplify meal prep. But if you're a serious home chef looking for maximum precision or restaurant-level control, you may outgrow it eventually. Overall, the Black+Decker Digital Multicooker succeeds because it focuses on the things people actually care about: simple cooking, faster cleanup, and practical versatility. It doesn't try to feel futuristic or overcomplicated. It just makes everyday cooking easier. And for a lot of people, that's exactly the point. If you want to check current pricing or availability, the link is waiting in the description. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know what meal you'd cook first in this thing.